Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming. Once a year, we meet all the data science community to share knowledge and experience and network with each other about the latest and greatest of data science. This year, where's my presentation? Okay. This year we have a full day of learning and networking starting now and ending around 6 p.m. So we have a very, very fruitful day today. We have 4 keynote speakers, 50 leading speakers from industry and academia, 4 parallel tracks, 1 hands-on of IBM workshop that will be behind me here, and 1 panel that will deal with the future of data science and the AI vision for Israel. And we have 18 booths here in the exhibition. I would like to thank, first of all, our sponsors, event sponsors, that without them we couldn't have done this event, especially our main platinum sponsor, IBM, MSQL, and Twingo. But thanks all the sponsors, and we'd like to work with you during this event and the next events. I would like to have special thanks for the people who contributed from their time and help to achieve this event. Professor Moshe Ben Basat, Professor Yitzhak Ben Israel, Professor Yoav Benyamini, Amit Mendelbaum, and Shuki from Jerusalem. Shuki, are you here? Come say some words here. We have a very exciting activity in Jerusalem about data science, and Shuki can say a few words about it. Hi, and Amit is here. Oh, okay, you came. Okay, you can.
So, welcome everybody to our city, Jerusalem. So, my name is Shuki Cohen, and here is Amit Mendelbaum. Together, we founded Jerusalem, the AI community of Jerusalem. And our vision is to promote Jerusalem as a thriving AI center that collaborates with everybody and creating very supportive spirit that can have a platform for everyone to find their place in the ecosystem in Jerusalem.
Yeah. And as a Jerusalem community, we do a very unique activities that you can't find anywhere else. For example, next month, we have a special meetup on ethics and AI on the Knesset. And then on July, we have a meetup about NLP in the Bible on Tzidkiyahu Cave. And we have a very big conference on September, so you are very welcome to follow us on Facebook to stay updated. Search Jerusalem on Facebook, and stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I hope the people from Tel Aviv will have the courage to come to Jerusalem. And I'd like to thank Nancy, Sarah, Vakovzada, and the Herschel Sefer that spent a lot of time helping our event. Another special thanks to Dr. Oren Etzioni, the CEO of Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence, and Dr. Nikita Samgunov, CEO, founder of MSQL, that came all the way from overseas to share their knowledge with us, and they'll be our keynotes today. I would like to have a note about a workshop. This is the first time we're doing a workshop within this conference. Until now, we only had the talks, and we'll have a 50 minutes workshop for 50 people. Physically, it's in Teddy D, which is behind me, and I hope that you'll enjoy this workshop. It will be after lunch between 2 to 2:50. I would like to share with you 2 slides that shows interesting things. First of all, the trend of investment in AI. Here in this slide, we can see that every year there is increased amount of money that is being invested in startups in the AI area. And the second thing we can see that there's a big 2 giants, the US and China, they're fighting between each other about who will win the struggle to the AI leadership. And this, by the way, those 2 countries see AI as a strategic thing that will influence the ability to control the world. It's not a game. So this is very serious. And Israel here, by the way, although we are a very small country, still we are in this map. So relative to our size, we have a big activity and investment in AI-based companies. And in 2018, more than $2 billion were invested in Israeli-based companies that are focused on AI, that were acquired or being invested. So we are in a very good shape with the world in these terms. The last slide I want to share with you is the responsibility as a data science community. We have the responsibility to ask, what future do we want to create? Okay? Because we are the ones that create all this wisdom of AI, algorithms, and application that will have an impact on the economy of the world. And there are three areas that are very interesting to focus on, both from research point of view and implementation point of view. The first area is the communication data. Who doesn't have a mobile phone? Well, as you can see, everyone here have a mobile phone, and mobile phone actually creates many phenomena, including addiction, privacy concern, culture impact 24/7. I think this is the only instrument that we are willing to go back home if we forget it. Yeah? If we forget something else, a book or something else, we are not feeling the urgency to go back home. But if we forget our phone, we feel the urgency. So I think one area that as a data scientist we like to investigate is the data that has been created in this area and to see what will be the impact of it on humanity. The second area is the reality data. As you know, today we create technologies that create mixed reality, and it's becoming very hard to differentiate what is real and what is not real. And in this area, we will need to have instruments that will tell us what's real and what is not real. So it's very important as a data scientist community to think about this point. Can we build an instrument that can tell us what is real and what is not real? And the last one is the decision-making data for the AI applications, where the AI application and the machines are doing decisions much faster and better than humans. And here we have to think about how can we control this mechanism that we create so it will not take over humanity. So this is the third area in which we have to think about as responsibility. Okay, I ran out of time. So thank you and have a great day. And don't forget to download the Bizaboa for your agenda.